Hey, my name's Jake. I'm the developer of Collate Network. In this short demo video, I'm going to show you some of the more common tasks you'll use Collate Network for. You'll see in our example system here, we have 3 IP blocks already allocated. In each IP block, there's 1 or more subnets, and in each subnet, there's 1 or more static IP assignments. The static IPs are reserved from available IP space inside the subnet, with exemptions made for the ACLs that you might put in for DHCP scopes or reservations for future use. So let's start by adding a new site to our network here. We'll say that we have a new sales office, Dallas, Texas. We'll give it a range of addresses, a summary that represents the location, and maybe a note. In Dallas, Texas, let's reserve a new subnet. Well, the first one will certainly go to management. We can use the address space from inside the IP block as a guide. Occasionally, you'll have to use a space outside of the IP block, and you can use this search instead. I think we'll stick to the space inside the IP block for right now. We'll give our subnet a default gateway, which is just this first static IP reservation. And we'll define an ACL for a DHCP scope for this subnet. Inside the subnet, we already have our default gateway defined. Let's reserve an address for the switch on our network. You'll see the list of available addresses does not include the addresses represented by the ACL. We'll just use the next available. We can edit a static assignment, give it a note, or edit the name. We can also delete the assignment when it's no longer part of our network. If we delete an object, all of its child objects are deleted in that same action. This is true for subnets, as well as for IP blocks. A Collate network is a fair bit better than the spreadsheets we're probably all used to. And I hope it's a bit easier than some of the other products you might have looked at for this purpose. You can find more information about Collate Network at collate.info.